Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CourtListener for legal opinions step by step clearly. Visit the CourtListener website. Look for the sign up option on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to create an account. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Choose a username and a strong password. Confirm your password to ensure accuracy. Read and agree to the terms of service. Submit the registration form by clicking the appropriate button. Check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log in to your newly created CourtListener account. Navigate to the search bar on the main page. Type in the legal opinion or case name you wish to connect with. Hit the Enter key to initiate the search. Review the search results to find the relevant legal opinion. Click on the title of the opinion to access the full text. Explore the additional features available for the legal opinion. Consider using the filters to refine your search results. Save or bookmark important opinions for future reference. Utilize the citation tools provided if needed. Engage with the community by commenting or sharing insights. Keep your account updated for a smoother experience. Stay informed about new updates or features through your account settings. Utilize the CourtListener API for advanced features if you are a developer. Consider exploring the help section for additional guidance. Feel free to reach out to the support team for any questions. Now you can efficiently connect with CourtListener for legal opinions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.